My love, my dear wife, let me make one thing perfectly clear. I'm not going to spend my honeymoon hiking, climbing, sweating, bleeding, suffering in any kind of way whatsoever. Room service. That's all I want. I know what they did to you. They used you. You want to hurt them. Listen to me. I know you're so angry you want to destroy everything in sight. But there's another way to make them understand. I'm on your side. I can help you. Innocent people will die if you do this. You did this on purpose, didn't you, Kelsey? You allowed our daughter to associate with a man you know I hate. You stood by while he whispered poison in her ear, and all under the guise of doing me a favor. You betrayed me. I'm not going to let you forget it. I promise.